which is number base. So how to convert the binary number into an octal number? Okay, before we start, let us know that what does it mean by binary number? Binary number is the number in base 2 form, whereas the octal number means that the number in base 8 form. So for your understanding, there are two methods to convert the binary number into an octal number. So first of all, I will show method 1 first. So the first step in method 1 is we need to change the number in base 2 form into base 10 form. And the second step is, after we get the number in base 10 form, we need to multiply all the numbers with square numbers and sum it all. So I will not say anymore. Let us run into the question. Okay, the number that I choose is 11001 in base 2 form. So first of all, we need to count the number from the back. So the first number is 1. So 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 0. And the second number is 0. So 0 multiplied by 2 to the power of 1. And the next number is 0. 0 multiplied by 2 to the number of 2. And the next number, 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3. And last but not least, the last number is 1. So 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 4. So after we write this sequence and we use calculator to calculate it, to sum it all, we will get the number which is 25. And the number here is in base 10 form. However, in this case, there is a special that we no need to write the small number base 10 form beside the number of 25. Means that we no need to write the small 10 beside this, because when we see the number 25 like this, we will automatically know that this number is in base 10 form. But this special case is only applied to this topic only. Okay, so after we get the number 25 in base 10, we need to change the base 10 form into an octal number, means that into base 8 form. So how to do that? It's very easy. We are going to repeatedly divide the number of 25 divided by 8. So 25 we divided by 8. Okay, so we try to get the number 3. 3 multiplied by 8 will get 24, right? If we get 4 multiplied by 8, we will get the number of 32. But 32 is bigger than 25, so we get 3. So 3, 8, 24. So 25 minus 24, we will find the remainders, which is 1. So again, we repeatedly divide by 8. 0, 8, 0. Okay, 0 is smaller than 3. But if we try use the number 1, 1, 8, 8. 1, 8, 8 is bigger than 3. So we use 0. Okay, 0 and 0. So 3 minus 0, we will get the remainder, which is 3. So, okay, the answer is clearly shown. Okay. How to read the answer? We just need to read the answer from the bottom to the top. So the answer is 31 in base 8 form. So this is the final answer for this question. So above this is the method 1 of how to convert the binary number into an octal number. Okay, so now I will show the method 2. Okay, again, we use the same number 11001 in base 2 form. Okay, so let us write down 001. Okay, first of all, we need to separate this into two numbers in group of 3. So again, we count from the back. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we hide this first. We see this group first. Okay, so 1 has the number of value 1, and the second we multiply it by 2, and the third number we multiply it by 4. Okay, here, student might ask, teacher, why we need to multiply the number with 1, 2, and 4? What is the concept? Okay, so listen properly. The concept is the same with method 1. Okay, so how we get the number 1? 2 to the power of 0, and 2 we get from 2 to the power of 1, and 4 we get from 2 squared. So the concept is here now. Understand? Okay, so let's see this group. Okay, so 1, 2, and here we put a 0 to it. We add a 0 to it. Okay, so now we need to sum it. Okay, here. Okay, here 2 plus 1 we get the number 3, right? And here we get the number 1 because 1 times 1, 1. So obviously the answer is clearly shown that the final answer is 31 in base 8 form. So this is the second method. So to conclude, there are two methods of how to change or convert the binary number into an octal number. So the first method is we try to convert number in base 2 form into base 10 form, and after we get the number in base 10 form, we try to convert it into base 8 form. And the second method is we just need to convert the number in base 2 form into base 8 form. So it's quite easily, and I think I will end this video here, and hope this video can help you guys. So last, please help me to smash the like button and share this video. Bye bye.